Sitting on the foothills of the Himalayas, where ancient Indian arts of Ayurveda and yoga were born, Ananda has played host to many distinguished guests from all corners of the world. What draws guests to Ananda is not just its magnificent location, the surreal facade, the extraordinary services, or the wellness programs. What makes Ananda truly magical is its very soul, the soul of Ananda that gives guests a sense of connection between the inner and the outer landscape.
We did have an international destination spa in mind. This location suited it best because of yoga, Ayurveda, all the positive energies that are available in this region because of the meditation done by yogis over the last hundreds of years. It was a very tough job getting it up here because everything had to come from Delhi and overseas. So it took us about 2.5 years to plan and execute the project.
The three pillars of Ananda are Ayurveda, Yoga and Vedanta, fused with international treatments to bring all of these things together, working on the mind, the body and the soul and the intellect in one location, one beautiful spiritual location in the Himalayas, sandwiched between the Ganges and the Himalayan mountains, which in itself is wondrous, beautiful and very, very calming.
You know, it's important to know that coming to Ananda is not just getting away from it all. It's just not a mundane escape. It's what we encourage our guests to do is to come here and introduce themselves to someone who is very important, which is they themselves. You know, it's very interesting that somehow the guests feel that they really own Ananda. In our effort to provide varied experiences, we often make, you know, little nuance changes here and there and try to enhance the property or change things around. And we often have guests come back who've been coming for so many years and they actually scold me, you know, at times saying that you shouldn't tamper with what Ananda is. This is what it's supposed to be. And I think that's a very, very interesting aspect of being here.
The wellness packages designed at Ananda has a specific methodology, and a lot of research goes into each packages and designed in a particular manner so that individual needs of the guest are taken care of. And once they come to Ananda, there is a consultation with the doctor, with the chef, with the yoga instructors and the fitness instructors to understand your needs and your medical problems, and then your programs are customized as per your requirement.
Our programs follow a holistic approach towards achieving the best results in a safe, nurturing atmosphere, guided by our team of expert Ayurvedic doctors, skilled therapists, nutritionists, yogis and spa cuisine chefs.
As we see, food plays a very important role in our well-being. Our whole of our philosophy is based on three dosha theory, which is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Ayurveda doesn't say that it has to be Indian, but actually it's just a concept which we apply to all of our cuisine. It can be Asian, it can be Western, it can be European. It gives us a guideline how to prepare a food which will help us in balancing the three doshas of the guest.
Our staff, they always have a smile here. They're always pleasing, go out of their way to help you. Basically, they're happy people. So that comes across in every single sphere of their service.
Many awards and recognition later, Ananda continues to assist guests on their life-transforming journey to seek harmony and balance.